New research now shows 74% of Americans are living with digestive problems. But what if you could restore your gut health with one simple fix? Well, according to one doctor in California, that may finally be possible. In fact, he believes this new method is so powerful, it can work like a power wash for your insides. Dr. Stephen Gundry, a world-renowned heart surgeon, reveals his power wash technique in a short video he released to the public. You can check out his life-changing method at our website, healtheasyfix.com. Or click our link in the bio to watch the full video of Dr. Gundry's power wash technique today.